There's a lot of buzz around AI and Copilot right now, but how can you actually leverage it to your advantage? Hi, I'm Colin Dawson, Senior inecta Food Consultant, and I'm here to talk about built-in reporting capabilities leveraging AI and Copilot right inside of inecta Food ERP. Traditionally, getting answers from your ERP system relied on having an expert who could build you reports or putting multiple reports together to make information as you need it. Now, utilizing Copilot, you're able to have your users talk in plain language with Copilot to build a report based on the information that they want to see, and easily save and share the reports that are created based on the real data in real time, solving specifically for the problems that they need to address. No more waiting for IT or anyone else to make a report that fits what they need. Your key personnel have access to real-time data that's reflected as soon as changes are made, with reports that are built specifically to address the problems that they're trying to solve. So what's a practical example that we can walk through? Imagine you're a sales manager who wants to look at your product categories and know which ones have the highest margins for the current year. In the past, they would have had to hope that that report already exists, ask someone to build the report for them, or try to take multiple reports that already exist and combine them in a way that probably didn't really solve their needs. Utilizing Copilot, they're able to easily go in, find their sales lines, and converse with Copilot to create an ad hoc report showing them the exact data that they need from a standard page in the system. A big question is, how complicated is this? Can any user do this, or does it require some technical knowledge? As long as the user understands basics of how the data might be structured, they're able to talk back and forth with Copilot to create a report specific to their needs at any given moment. It democratizes access to the data in your ERP system in a way that has never been possible before. What are some of the areas and reports that are the most commonly utilized with this Copilot integration? A few that come up constantly are related to sales, grouped by whatever area we need, whether it's product category, region, sell to customer, as well as reports based around purchasing and vendor performance metrics. If reporting is currently a headache, ask inecta about how Copilot with inecta Food ERP can make your reporting needs much easier today.